Mindy Martin from Usborne Books and More. Today we're going to go over some homework helpers. These are great math books to help you guys at home. We have the first one called The First Illustrated Math Dictionary. The next one is called the Usborne Illustrated Elementary Math Dictionary. And for our middle and high school students, we have the Illustrated Dictionary of Math. Now, math is broken into about 4 or 5 different types. First, we have numbers and understanding them. Next, you have shapes and spaces. Next, you have measurements. And the other one is dealing with data. In our first illustrated math book, we have understanding counting, understanding what numbers are, talking about numbers, comparing numbers, ordering them, putting them in patterns, for starting maybe addition and subtraction, understanding 2D shapes, understanding 3D shapes, and measuring, understanding length and width and height and capacity and time. This book right here, the First Illustration of Math Dictionary, would be good for your preschool and your kindergarten students. Then you would move up to the elementary math, where we have 5 different sections of math. You have your numbers still, and you have calculations, which is different. The other book didn't have that. Spaces and shape, measurement, and then dealing with data. So we have sequencing, fractions, decimal points, percentages, proportions and ratios, calculation, estimating, calculating, multiplying, function machine, even starting algebra. For shapes and spaces, you have 2D and 3D again. You have symmetry, moving shapes and solids, position and directions, measuring, perimeter, area, volume, and dealing with data would be handling data, sharing data, averages. And then you can go to your middle school and high school book. We still have those basic 4 components of numbers, spaces and shapes, algebra, and handling data. This one is fractions, decimals, exponents, and scientific notations, ratios, proportions. Your shapes would be learned in geometry, angles, polygons, symmetry, transformations, vector. List goes on and on there. Algebra, basic algebra, equations, algebra graphs and quadratic equations, inequalities and functions, and your data would be averages, measures of speed, representing data. Probability comes in here. A to Z money terms and math symbols. 3 awesome homework helpers to help with math. Thanks.